Get to our next corporate on the show then. The government is looking to offload about 15% stake in NBCC. Remember, this financial year itself has started on a strong note for the divestment drive. So Anup Kumar Mittal, the chairman of NBCC, joins in for more. Hi, Mr. Mittal. Good afternoon. We spoke with the divestment secretary, just earlier on a few days back. She did not indicate what would be the candidates which are lined up for divestment. But is there anything that you might have heard on, when the NBCC divestment itself could come up?
Not exactly. We have not been told by Ministry of Disinvestment. This may be in later part of this financial year, but officially we have not heard anything.
Okay, but likely in FY16?
That might be, but officially, since we have not heard, I can't tell you.
Sure.
All right. Let's get on then with the company's opportunities in FY16. The stock has clearly been one of the big movers. For NBCC, the market expectation is that perhaps the biggest opportunity could be in redevelopment of old government properties. Can you walk us through an update? What is currently in the pipeline? Will you be signing certain MOUs with various governments like Delhi, Rajasthan? You've already signed, but any more in the offing? How many redevelopment projects will the company undertake in FY16?
As you know, we have already signed an agreement with the Delhi government for their DDA project in Karkaduma. They are probably allotting another work in Delhi, another project of say sizing 1,500 crores. So that will be part 2 of DDA. Then we are in close discussion with government of Odisha. They have already indicated their willingness to allot the work to NBCC. Formal agreement is yet to be signed. Then will disclose the other details of the project. But definitely that project will come. And Rajasthan, we have already entered with the Rajasthan government. And formally work will start in second quarter of this financial year. And similarly, other governments like West Bengal government, UP, they are also coming up. Huge opportunities there, and a lot of work will come in this financial year.
Okay, so what's in the pipeline is the second project with DDA, which is 1,500 crore, as well as one with the Orissa government as well. And you're in talks with West Bengal and UP government.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, could you give us a sense of, the earlier agreement that you had with DDA was that you earn a project management fee, which is roughly 10% of the cost. Will these other projects also work similarly?
Yes, definitely. It will be on similar line.
Okay.
In first project, we'll get 10% agency charges for our services. Then we'll get additional 1% charges on sale of the property. The property sale is suppose 20,000 crore, and BCC will get 1% and 10% on construction cost.
Okay. Can you give us a sense what the current order book of the company stands at?
You see, current order book is about 20,000 crore. This is without DDA project, which we have recently signed. This order book is till 2015 March.
Okay.
So we have not taken a DDA project in this, and some more projects we have secured in this financial year in last 10-15 days. I will tell you in next by end of this month the total of those projects.
Okay, so it's gone up because in December 2014, when we had spoken to you, you indicated the order book is 18,000 crore. So it's gone up by nearly 2,000 crore in this quarter.
That's right.
So what is the update on your MOU with Air India?
You see, with Air India, we have identified few properties. Our boys are working on the details of those projects. They are preparing the DPRs. And once the DPR is ready, then we'll discuss the matter with Air India authorities, and then we'll finalize the commercial terms of the project. Because in the agreement, we have set 2-3 options to, dispose of their properties. So finally, that will be decided once we prepare the DPR.
Okay, but is there any likelihood that you might take on any equity stake in the project?
Yes, sir, definitely. There are chances.
Okay.
There are chances that we may develop that project on Kirwai Lagan lines or DDA lines, or small equity we may also invest. It all depends on the commercial outcome of that DPR.
Okay, so given such a strong pipeline, could you give us a sense whether the company could exceed, what would the revenues look like in FY15 and as well as FY16? You know, the expectation was that perhaps you would do revenues of close to about 6,000 crore in FY16. Are you likely to exceed that estimate?
And you're talking in FY16?
FY16, yes.
15, 16.
Yes.
Yes, we are targeting that. Of course, our MOU signed with the government is about 4,600 or 4,800. But definitely we are trying to cross that as well as the figure which you have said.
So what is your total order book at currently?
I said 20,000.
Oh, sorry. Okay, 20,000.
All right, Mr. Mittal, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. So that's some update about the outlook for NBCC's robust order book. It's gone up from 18,000 crore to 20,000 crore, and well, the company is in talks with various government for projects as well.